In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Wix website by adding images to it. Adding images is a great way to enhance the visual appeal of your site and to connect more effectively with your audience. So, if you're ready, let's dive into the steps. First things first, we'll begin by logging into your Wix account and opening the editor. Head over to wix.com and sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but I'm assuming you've already got that sorted. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see your dashboard. This is your main hub for all things related to your Wix sites. Now you'll want to select the particular site you wish to edit. You should see a list of your sites on the dashboard. Choose the one that you're looking to update and click on Edit Site. This will take you into the Wix editor where all the magic happens. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment to load, so hang tight. Once you're in the editor, it's time to add your image, which is the highlight of this tutorial. Look towards the left-hand side of your screen and you'll notice a toolbar with several options for customizing your site. Click on the Add button represented by a plus sign. This is where you can add a variety of elements to your site, but today we're focusing on images. After clicking Add, a menu will appear. Hover over the image option and then go ahead and click on My Uploads. This section lets you upload images from your computer to Wix. Choose the image you'd like to add by clicking on Upload Media and then select Upload from Computer. Navigate through your files, find the image you want to use, and double-click it to upload. Once your image is uploaded, it will appear in your personal gallery on Wix. From here, you can select it and hit Add to Page. The image will appear on your site and you can drag it to the desired location on the page. Click and hold it, move your mouse, and position it exactly where you want it to be. You can even resize it using the corner handles of the image. Take a moment to preview your changes by clicking on the preview button at the top right of the editor. This will show you how your site looks with the newly added images. Make sure everything looks exactly how you want it before publishing. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to your Wix site. By following these steps, you can easily continue to personalize your website, making it more engaging for your visitors. Thanks for watching and happy building!